In 2012, the PETA International Science Consortium was formed to coordinate the scientific and regulatory expertise of its members, PETA US, UK, Germany, India, Asia, Australia, France, and Netherlands. The Science Consortium works with industry, academia, and government agencies around the world to develop and promote scientifically valid tests that replace the use of animals. The Science Consortium and its members have contributed millions of dollars to improving and implementing testing approaches that do not use animals. The Institute for In Vitro Sciences is one organization that the Science Consortium and its members have funded for many years. Here, Erin Hill, president of the Institute for In Vitro Sciences, and Amy Klippinger, associate director of the PETA International Science Consortium, discuss how this funding has helped promote the development and use of alternatives to animal experiments.
IIVS is a nonprofit organization. We were founded in 1997. We provide in vitro laboratory testing services to industry. But what really makes us unique is that we couple that with education and outreach programs, not only for industry scientists, but also for regulatory scientists to help them adopt and incorporate on animals, specifically in vitro testing methodologies.
And we've been working together, I'd say, for most of those 20 years.
That's correct. It's been a very good collaboration over the years, and it's significant not only in the very generous amount of funding you've provided, but also in the areas that you've stepped in to provide support. More recently, you're helping us in our expansion into respiratory toxicology.
And I'm glad you mentioned that because I'm very excited about the in vitro exposure device that we recently donated.
Yes, this expansion into respiratory toxicology is a big step for IIVS, and what we're doing is looking at how inhaled materials may adversely affect humans. So we have to model how those materials would be exposed to a person. This includes concerns from air pollution to household products to fragrances, and also newer materials such as e-cigarettes. So we're able to use this device to generate an aerosol, and instead of exposing animals to that aerosol, we can expose human lung cells or 3D tissue constructs in the laboratory.
We've also been collaborating with the personal lubricant industry and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to gain regulatory acceptance for a method that uses a human tissue model instead of a rabbit test.
Now, I think most people would be surprised that personal lubricants are regulated as a medical device, and as such, of course, they have to undergo testing, and some of that testing does require animals. So I think this project is interesting because it could be a very good scientific advancement using a human three-dimensional construct instead of an animal, but it also highlights how we've been able to work in collaboration with the regulatory agency and industry to bring forward a solution.
The PETA International Science Consortium is funding the future of science, which has never looked brighter for animals and humans alike. Please visit piscltd.org.uk for more information.